The birth of the new town. Republic Act number 381. An act creating the municipality of Malay in the province of Capiz. Approved and signed by then President Elpidio Quirino on June 15, 1949. The newly inducted municipal mayor of Malay, Mr. Guillermo Aguirre Sr. and his wife, Provincia Santa Maria, with the parents, Milanio and Simeona Labado Santa Maria, Jeronimo, uncle of Guillermo, and wife Marcela Jonila Aguirre. At the background is the improvised stage where the municipal officials of Malay were inducted on January 2, 1960. The ancestral house of the Aguirre family were the first set of the municipal government held office. Municipal officials and employees of the mother town, Buruanga, in 1947, with Mr. Guillermo Aguirre Sr. and Mr. Simplicio Hilito Sr. as the only Malay non-members. Municipal officials and employees of Malay in 1955.